Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now I know I haven't made a video on this channel in a while and I'm sorry. I am just really bad about being consistent, but I'm really sorry. But I'm back today, but I'm just gonna hop right into it. We have a PR unboxing haul. So this is stuff that I've accumulated over the past 3.5 weeks that I just have not opened. It's literally just been sitting in a corner of my room and it's been so bad. So I'm just like, all right, well, I'm gonna clean up today. So I might as well do a little haul for y'all and do a little first impressions with a couple things. But I'm really excited. And of course, I am so thankful. Thank you to all the companies that have sent me these items to, you know, create content for y'all and review them and all that jazz. But again, it's just gonna be a haul, quick little first impressions. But with that, let's go ahead and get started. 11 packages to get through. So let's go ahead and start with the first one right here. I got this at an event from Drunk Elephant. This set is super cute. So it has a bunch of samples of their serums, their face wash soaps, and things like that. And I can't really try this for y'all right now, like a first impressions, but I do love how cute this packaging is. Next, we have a box from Leaders. Now I love their, I think it's their tropical, it's the orange tropical like Caribbean face mask. It's so hydrating. It smells amazing. Oh my gosh, like you want to eat it. But they have a cute little handwritten note. Now I love that. Ooh, okay, and it's their What Happened Last Night line. So I'm reading the little card that it comes with, and it's basically a rejuvenizing, brightening, refreshing line. Kind of like a hangover cure face line. I think that's pretty cute. So they have this Radiance Revitalizing Face Mask. They have a refreshing cleansing oil and a glowing facial mist. Ooh, I love facial mists because they're so easy. You don't have to get your hands dirty or anything like that. You can just spray it on. So I'm really excited to try these. The next thing I got is from Better Skin Co. and I'm so excited. So I actually made a video on this product right here, which is their Zit No More, and I'm obsessed. This is my favorite spot treatment. I used this for like 6 months, totally not sponsored, but they saw my video that I created like talking about this product. So they sent me like some more of their like bestseller products. So I'm really excited because I love this so much. So let's see, we have their Vitamin C Serum to tighten, brighten, and protect. Ooh, I can't wait to try this. I'm really getting into serums. So, and I don't have anything that's like vitamin C for brightening. I just have hydrating serum, so I'm really excited. And then I got their Better Skin Co. Miracle Cream. So it's like an anti-wrinkle cream. So it's an all-purpose natural cream with coconut oil, cacao butter, shea butter, algae, aloe, things like that. So cool. And they have this Better Skin Lava Magic. So I got a sample of this and I do like this. It smells awesome. And yeah, it's a daily cleanser, exfoliating, revitalizing mask with, yeah, sweet orange, grapeseed, cucumber, a bunch of other stuff. I can't wait to use this. I'll probably use this tonight. But yay, thanks Better Skin Co. Next, moving on to a box from Pixi. Now I love Pixi products. It's honestly so crazy to see how much they've grown, because I remember I bought a little Pixi eyeshadow quad from Target like 4 years ago, and now to see like how much they've grown and to be able to work with them is such an honor. So let's see. Ooh! Alright, I saw a couple influencers already get this, so I kind of know what's in it. So it's their Lash and Line Love Collection. So it's basically a lash primer, mascaras, and eyeliners. Oh, so much stuff. Okay, I've been really inspired by a lot of brands that have been releasing a lot of eyeliners and doing like looks with just eyeliner. So I want to attempt that. So let's do first impressions with these colorful eyeliners. Alright, this color is gorgeous. It's called Matte Mulberry and it's like a brown taupe color. Oh my gosh, it's so creamy and buttery. Oh my gosh. There it is. So yeah, it's more brown, but there are some purple undertones, but it is like a taupe brown color. That is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. It's rose gold, or no, rose glow. Rose glow. Super pretty. All right, I feel like I'm gonna do all of them now since, well, there's only two more left. So let's do this one. This is Velvet Violet. So there's that one. So a really lilac metallic purple color. And then lastly, we have Black Blue. You guys, this formula is amazing though. I'm like blown away of how creamy and smooth these eyeliners are. And then there's black blue. So some gorgeous colors. Thank you so much, Pixie. Yeah, I can't wait to do some sort of look with these. These are so creamy and buttery. Woo. The next little package is from Azirdo Cosmetics, and they sent me some of their lashes. So they sent me 4 pairs of lashes. So I'm wearing false lashes right now, and I've actually like really been liking false lashes recently, so this is pretty exciting. So we have So Me. So long wispy ones. This one is doll. Yeah, it has a doll effect. Still wispy, but more kind of clumped in different sections. This is Irresistible. This is definitely full glam, like super dramatic. And then you have Legendary, which is again super full dramatic and like really spiky. It has that like, yeah, that's like that spiky shape to it. But yeah, really excited. So thank you so much. All right, I'm also very excited for this package. This is a huge package from Almay. Ah! It says welcome to the class of 2018 and the letters, and then oh, the makeup. Oh gosh, the makeup right here. All right, I can already tell I'm gonna love this pastel one. We have this peachy one, and then oh my gosh, I'm so excited to try this. This is the Mae Jelly Highlighter. Look at this. Oh, there's a little thing inside. It's like liquid jelly highlighter. Like, you can see it moving. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to try it. Oh, and it comes with like this like crystal packaging, or it kind of reminds me of like something Sailor Moon like. So pretty. And then we have some lip glosses. They sent 3 of their goddess glosses. So super glittery and chunky and just, yeah, really out of this world holographic. So I'm really excited to try these products. But thank you so much to Almay. I'm so excited. Yay! Right, moving along, we have some stuff from Belief. Now I absolutely love the Belief eye balm. I use that every single night. And I also love their Aqua Balm. I switched that out with a couple of their moisturizers. But this is part of their new line. This is their Miracle line. So it's their, Belief? Yeah, so youthful, so like anti-wrinkle, rejuvenating line. So I got a Revital Eye Cream. So it's supposed to improve skin elasticity. Oh my gosh, yes, I'm all about this. Like one of my biggest beauty fears is getting crow's feet. It's like those wrinkles around your eyes. That's why I use eye cream every single night. I use their eye balm. So I can't wait to be using this as well. And then I got a mini of their Revital Cream. So it's like their youth moisturizer. And then a mini size of their Serum. Oh my god, it's so tiny. It's so cute though. Alright, thank you so much, Believe. I love your products, so cannot wait to try these. Next, I got a package from Glam Glow. And I love their Super Mud. Oh my gosh, this is like Super Mud heaven right here. There's a mega size Super Mud. Oh my gosh. A regular size Super Mud. And a travel size Super Mud. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. This stuff is like ridiculously amazing for clearing your skin out. Now you definitely can't use it a lot because it is strong. Like when you put it on your skin, you can feel it tingling immediately, but it definitely works, helps clears any breakouts and just cleans out your skin. All right, this next box is from Popsugar. They recently just released their own beauty line. So it's called Beauty by Popsugar, and they sent 6 lip glosses. So super, super cute. Ooh, okay, so this one's called Time After Time. So they're squeezy tubes. Oh no, so they're in squeezy tubes, but they have a doe foot applicator. Good, because I was like, I like a doe foot applicator. Let's see. Oh, so these are like pretty pigmented glosses. They have a lot of color. Oh, that's gorgeous. It's like a glaze. I will say this doe foot applicator is not picking up a lot of product. I have to keep going back, but ooh, it smells like Lucky Charm marshmallows. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. But there is Time After Time. I'll definitely do a lip swatches video with these because I'm really excited to try them. But ooh, that smells good. Oh my, it smells like Lucky Charms marshmallows. All right, so I will save this. I'll do a full video on this and lip swatches, of course, because you guys know I love doing that. And next we have a box from Marc Anthony Hair. Now, I'm really excited. I've recently been loving one of their hair treatments. Oh, invest in your hair. It's the crown you never take off. So cute. But, oh my gosh, wait, here it is. Oh my gosh, okay, so I got a sample. I got like one of these. It's not really a sample. I used it about 5-6 times for like this tiny jar. But it's an amazing hair treatment, like a hair mask. So it's, yeah, the Strengthening Grow Long Super Fast Miracle Treatment. And oh my gosh, I got a couple of them. I'm so happy. Oh my gosh, I got 4 of them. These are gonna last me so long. Thank you so much. I've literally been using these once every 3 days. I don't like to deep condition my hair every day, but I've really been liking this. Oh my gosh. You guys, I can't stop smelling the Popsugar Lip Gloss. It smells so good. All right, what else do we have in here? We have their Hydrating Oil Treatment. I love how they sent me the Grow Long collection as if my hair needs to be any longer, but I guess we have to maintain it. But we have their Grow Long Volumizing Dry Shampoo Foam. Oh my gosh, dry shampoo foam. This is like the way. I love the Way's dry shampoo foam, but now I have to try this. Gotta be careful with all this. I don't want to smear it all in my hair, but let's see. Ah! I love dry shampoo foam. Okay, let's see. It's definitely, oh god, be careful. It's definitely not as moussey, airy, and like fluffy as the Way one. It like kind of dies down to a mousse. It feels like a mousse. It's not, and it's not dry either right now. My hair's wet or like damp. Smells great though, oh my gosh. It smells like a salon product, like really luxurious but slightly fruity. So I will say my hair's still damp. We'll see how it goes after. Oh, I got some lip gloss in my hair. I'm a mess. Okay, we'll see how it goes after I finish this box. But we also have their leave-in conditioner. Ooh, very excited about that. And then their Grow Long Strengthening Anti-Breakage and Shine Shampoo and Conditioner. Sweet, I can't wait to try these as well. Thank you so much, Marc Anthony. All right, so my hair is still damp, which is negative points because I love the way dry shampoo foam is dry instantly. Oh, it's drying now. So I still love dry shampoo foam. I think it's so fun. It's so unique. Right, that's it for this very long PR unboxing. I hope that this was gonna be really quick, but I'm looking at it and it's already like so long. But I hope you all enjoyed this video, this little haul. I did a couple little first impressions, and stay tuned for more in-depth makeup and beauty videos. But thank you all so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in a future video. Bye! Mwah.